Good morning, children. Welcome back. Today in English, it's activity time. 1.2 activity time. Let's play a game. I have two cards with letters on them. The first card is pink in color with the five vowels, and the second card is blue in color with the consonants. Children, we had just learned vowels and consonants, so here we have them. So, what are we going to do with these vowels and consonants? Let's find out. First, you're going to form pairs. Now, children, since you are at home, you are going to pair yourself with any one of your family member. Maybe your sister, your mother, your brother, father, or any grandparent. A pair means two together. So here we have a pair. So this is the first thing you're going to do. Next, close your eyes, and now one of you will put your finger on any letter on the blue card. So suppose that one of you is you, that is the student. In this picture, you can see the girl's eyes are open, but you have to close your eyes. And suppose you can't close your eyes for any reason, you turn your face ahead like this girl. So she's not looking at the book. So without looking, you have to point your finger on any letter on the blue card, that is, on any one of the consonants. The third step is your partner, that is, whoever is your partner, will put the finger on any letter on the pink card, that is, on the vowels card. So here we have the person who is with you will put a finger on any letter on the pink card, that is, will select any one of the vowels. Next, you will open your eyes. Now, what will you see? Both of you have got one letter each. You have pointed out to one letter and your partner has pointed out to one letter. So each one of you has a letter of the alphabet. So you have one, suppose you have the letter Y and your partner has the letter E. That is, Y is a consonant and E is a vowel. So what you're going to do after that is, each pair has two letters. That is, you are one pair. You and your partner is one pair. Suppose there is one more pair in your house who's playing this game. That means there are two pairs. So each pair will have two words, one vowel and one consonant. After that, you will write as many words as you can which have both the letters that you have picked. Now here we have picked Y and E. So using Y and E, you are going to write as many words as you can. And this is called word formation or forming words. So let's take the first one. The two letters that were selected from these two cards, that is from the vowel card and from the consonant card, was E and Y. Now taking those two letters, that's E and Y, let's see how many words you can make. I have made 4 words, but you can make as many as you can. So the words that I have made with E and Y are they, I, yes and by. Can you see? The vowels are in pink and the consonants are in blue. Now suppose I had to select another two. Another pair would have selected maybe A, that's a vowel, and T, that's a consonant. So using A and T, let's see which words we could form. Simple words. At, A-T, at. Then hat, H-A-T, hat. Goat and earth. We have learned this word earth in our first poem, Earth to the Sky. So these are the four words that I have formed using the two letters. Moving on to another pair of letters, one vowel and one consonant, that is O and R. The words I have formed are or, for, form, word. Now this time I have not colored the vowels and consonants because by now you should be knowing that the vowels and consonants are being used here. And one more practice, US. U is a vowel, S a consonant. The words I have formed are US, us, bus, must, use. So children, you can see in all these four exercises that we have done just now, we have used a vowel and a consonant, and using them we have formed words. When you have completed writing all the words, children, you will read aloud the words that you have made. Loudly you will read all the words that you have formed. I have done using 4 pair of words. You can do using as many pair of words as you would want to do. In this way, children, you will make new words and also you will develop your language skills. You will become better in English. Now, let us listen to a conversation. A conversation is a talk between two people or more people. Now, in this particular conversation, it is just two people. The conversation is between a teacher and the student. So now you're going to listen to it carefully. Teacher, the teacher says, "Good morning, children." So the children reply, "Good morning, teacher." Teacher says, "What is your name?" So one student replies, she says, "My name is Tejal." Teacher says, "What is the first letter of your name?" So Tejal replies, T. Children, look at her name. It's T-E-J-A-L. So the teacher asks, "What is the first letter?" So she says T. And that is right. So the teacher says, "What is the last letter of your name?" And Tejal replies, L. Teacher says, "How many letters are there in your name?" So Tejal counts the letters in her name and she says, 5. Teacher says, "Tell any word that begins with the first letter of your name." So Tejal replies, tiger. That means she had to say one word that begins with her name and her name begins with T. So Tejal said tiger. So this is an example for you. Now children, you are going to think and answer these questions at home. Let's take the first question. That's by the teacher. "Good morning, children." This will be your answer. The next question, "What is your name?" This is your answer. "What is the first letter of your name?" Your reply. "What is the last letter of your name?" Your reply. "How many letters are there in your name?" This is your reply. Write any word that begins with the first letter of your name. And this is once again your reply. Now children, since you are at home, I cannot ask each one of you this question. But you can ask any one family member to ask you the questions that I have prepared as a teacher. Once you have completed answering all the questions, you will prepare an audio and upload it on your roll number group. This is the activity for this lesson. Thank you.